Good day everyone. So our topic for today is cooling in dehumidifying. So our cooling one, an HVAC system cools moist air from 30 Celsius dBT and 60 RH to 20 Celsius dBT and 90% of RH. The airflow rate is 2 kg per second. So our required is the total cooling load, and second is the sensible heat portion, and the third one is the latent heat portion. So our solution is at 29 Celsius and 60% of RH, we have W1 is equals 0.050 kg water per kilogram air. So our H1 is 61.5 kilojoules per kilogram air. So our at 14 Celsius and 95% RH, our W2 is 0.009 kilogram water per kilogram air. So our H2 is 39.5 kilojoules per kilogram air. So atong formula is dBF plus T out minus dAdP over Tn minus dAdP. So our dBF is 14 minus 12 over 10 minus 12 is 2 over 17. So our dBF is 0.0118. So our problem 2 is air enters and cooling coil at 32 degree dBT and 65% of RH. The coil surface temperature is 14 Celsius and the coil at a bypass factor of 0.2. So our required is the dBT of the air leaving the coil and the enthalpy of the exit air. So our solution is at 31 Celsius and 65% of RH. Our W1 is 0.0191 kilogram per water per kilogram water per kilogram air. So H1 is 73.5 kilojoules per kilogram air. And at 17 Celsius and 95% of RH, our final W2 is final humidity ratio is 0.0104 kilogram water per kilogram air. So our final enthalpy is 44.5 kilojoules per kilogram air. So our delta W equals W1 minus W2. We have 0.0191 minus 0.0104 equals 0.00887 kilogram water per kilogram air. So ato siyang i-time sa mass na 2.2 kilogram. Tapos ang yan ang size, para may sa kilogram per second, ang yan ang size 0.0191 kilogram per second. So ito siya i-mono hour. Kaya atong gamito man dito is kilowatts. 0.01914 times 10,600, 68.9 kilogram per hour. So our Q is equals to M times H1 delta enthalpy equals 2.2 kilogram, ay 2.2 na mass na times 73.5 minus 44.5 is equals to 63.8 kilowatts.